Okay, so yesterday I was covering video creation in Canva. So at the beginning of the class, this is what I showed the students, and of course it's like and this is like an active project, like this is going on right now, and I put the video together with Canva, did the voiceover with CapCut. So like they watched it and they had questions, how did you do this? They were quite surprised that I did this thing with Canva. So the lesson began, and yesterday's class was very interesting because we worked like on an actual client project. We went page by page, and the students have become so avid in the class that like by the time I was like on the fourth, fifth slide, it's like they had already caught on what to do. So by the time I was finishing, there are students who had actually finished. They had actually finished their video like alongside me. There was a student who finished a video for the class, like he based it on his previous project. He actually did a good job. Like for his first video ever. Look at that. Like he got the transitioning, animated the text on the pages. I was even saying now people have started showing off. Because he finished a full video, almost a full minute, then even did an extra video. So like a concept event that's not really there. Then you can see this is another student. Even with voiceover. First attempt. Carefully selected beans and roasted to perfection. Rauca coffee delivers a rich and unforgettable taste in every cup. Look at that. From the first aroma to the what? It's designed to awaken your senses and energize your day. Like we've gone to the extent of even doing like the actual video slides with AI. Look at that. Rauca coffee is your perfect companion because great coffee isn't just a drink, it's an experience worth savoring. This person did not know how to do a Canva video at the beginning of the class. Even the logo is animated, my God. Somebody did a concept event. So results are there, results are there, results are there. And you see, this is work that is needed. Like this is a product advert. Can charge handsomely for that. We were doing reels like for NGOs. So these are very, very marketable, kind of consulting gigs that usually have good payback on them. So yeah, very, very good skill to have. Class is doing well. Sign up for the next cohort. This could be you making such videos.